Hello, my name is Pablo Lagos, and with my classmate Sebastián Figueroa, we did this sentence analysis. The sentence is this one. According to Samsung, battery problems were behind the phones catching fire, but the firm said it was difficult to work out which phones were affected among those sold. Now, first of all, we separated the three clauses that we found. According to Samsung, that is just a present participle clause with this preposition according to and the noun Samsung. These clauses are separated by commas, and this cross represents the separation of the clauses. This is a clause 3, this is a clause 2, and this is a clause 1. Okay, the second clause, we have a subject, battery problems, the verb were, that is the verb to be in past simple, third person plural, and behind the phones catching fire. That is, the phones catching fire is the adjunct of behind. We cannot say the battery problems were behind and just leave like that the sentence. So this is an obligatory adjunct, and that's why this clause is an intransitive with obligatory adjunct. So because this is extra information that is given behind. Okay, let's take a look at the third clause. We have subject, the firm. This clause is introduced by the conjunction but. This gives the relationship between this clause and this one. The firm is the subject. Said is the verb. And it was too difficult to work out is the object. And all of this is also the object. This object is related to this one, and this one is also related to this one. We think that this clause is a complex transitive because we have a complement of the object. This preposition separates the objects. Okay, now let's take a look at the phrases. This is a noun phrase. Battery problems. This is the problems is the head word. Battery is a noun that modifies this noun. We have to remember that nouns also modify nouns, where we have the verb to be, behind the phones catching fire. This is a prepositional phrase, behind the phones, because we have this preposition and the phone's catching fire. The phone's catching fire is a noun phrase that is inside this prepositional phrase, and the head word of this noun phrase is phones. In this prepositional and noun phrase, this noun phrase is the determiner, and it's a central determiner. Catching fire inside this is a adjective phrase because describes the situation of the phones. Now, here we have the verb that is a noun phrase with the same case of here, the phones, the verb. There is the determiner, the central determiner, and verb is a head word. Said, the verb, simple past of the verb say. It was the past of the verb to be, and the adjective phrase difficult to work out. This is an adjective of it. Which phones is the noun phrase. Phones is the head word. It is not here, but where affected, it is not like this with this and letters, with this thing. But this we have to imagine it. Imagine it is a verb phrase. Where affected, and affected is a adverb. Okay. Among is a preposition, and all among those sold is a prepositional phrase. Those sold is also a noun phrase, and those is the head word. Those is a preposition, and sold is an adverb. So if we see word by word, we have preposition, noun, verb, preposition, article, noun. We have a verb that is here like an adjective, and fire is a noun, conjunction, article, and noun. Verb, it is a subject, was a verb, difficult is an adjective, preposition to, the verb work, the preposition out. I didn't say this, I think. This is a verb phrase, a phrasal verb that is work out. It means to solve something. Well, which we have this relative pronoun, noun, verb to be, affected, the adjective, preposition, and a pronoun, and the adjective. Well, this was our sentence analysis, and thank you for watching.